Things are going great. I'm really glad I took the class. As I met you and your dad and Jonathan, I've taken many classes and even worked at a different trading academy. And there was always this one piece I was missing. And your dad was able to help me see where I didn't have my strategies in place. So the account was about 107,000 in December. And right now, as of today, it's about almost 200,000. And
Wow.
I give a lot of credit to what I've got from the class and implementing the techniques and strategies.
Wow. December of 2019, is that correct?
Yeah, the account was only 107 at the time. Right now, I'm pegging about almost 200.
Wow. Would love to hear more about basically your growth in your account and the strategies you use and how you got there.
You got to have a trading plan. I've heard it for a long time, and it's only recently that I've come to appreciate that. You have to lay down some very concrete rules that fits your tolerance. My rules are not going to be the same as your rules. Everybody's going to have different objectives. Everybody's going to be working with different size accounts. And so the rules are your rules that allow you to be comfortable, unemotional when you're engaging in trading. As we all know, we're all going through the pandemic. In March, I was laid off, and like everybody, sent home, shelter in place. And basically, I day traded every day when the market was open. And thank God that I have that skill set, because other than that, there was no other source of income per se. By 9:41 a.m., I sold the entire lot, and the gross was $13,253.54. I looked at that and go, wow, that was 150 minutes of work. And I did the math, Tim. Comes down to $5,301 per hour, or $88.25 per minute, or $1.47 per second.
Just so anyone who's watching out there knows, Peter has been trading for a while now, even before our class. So
that's absolutely correct. And Tim, that's why I was so grateful and thankful that I found Stock Navigators on Facebook, and I reached out to you initially, and we met. And thank you for allowing me to do that. And I could have easily said, I've taken classes, not another one, but this was the missing piece for me, because your dad's story touched mine's the same thing. I've gone through many mentors and followed many other traders, and it was just, I don't know, there was something missing. And even though, you and I had discussed, well, a lot of class is going to be basics, but you know what? I'm really glad I reviewed the basics, because there were a lot of hidden things there that maybe when a younger version of me was like, yeah, okay, whatever. But no, I mean, just Dow theory, higher highs, higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. I mean, that's important when you're looking at a chart.
What kind of advice do you have for people who are on the edge of, or even for our program, for those out there who are, on the edge looking to sign up?
I would say it's not for everyone, but if you feel like this is something that you want to explore and give yourself a chance, I would encourage you to take the leap. I am so glad I took the leap. Yeah, it's not been an easy road, but I can tell you right now, it's pretty goddamn awesome.
No, thanks so much for sharing your story, Peter. And, I think it's going to help a ton of traders. So,
well, trade well, trade safe, guys.